With the stroke of a pen, it's official. Governor Gavin Newsom signing several gun-related bills into law. Bills he argues will make California safer in an era when gun violence and mass shootings have become all too familiar.
The carnage it's too much. And I just can't normalize it. We can't accept it.
Among the bills he signed, AB 28, authored by San Fernando Valley Assemblymember Jesse Gabriel. The legislation imposes an 11% excise tax on gun manufacturers and ammunition vendors across the state. An estimated $160 million in revenue raised per year from the tax would go toward gun violence prevention programs, including school safety and behavioral health initiatives.
How about a little damn accountability? If you're selling a product that's a leading product purveyor of death for our kids, come on. I mean, this is serious stuff.
This bill says at the time that the gun industry is bragging about record profits, at a time when guns are the leading cause of death of kids in the United States of America, we need to do more.
Well done. Congrats.
The governor also signing SB 2, a bill that will add restrictions and change guidelines for how to obtain a concealed carry weapons permit in the state of California. Known as CCWs, such permits allow people to carry yet keep out of sight specific weapons like handguns. But with SB 2 becoming law, the legislation will restrict who the state can grant such a permit.
When we make California safer, we make it more peaceful.
Burbank Senator Anthony Portantino authored the bill. It will require people who apply for CCWs to have previous firearms training and be at least 21 years old. The proposal will also require applicants to provide character references and go through a background check.
If you have a record of domestic abuse, you shouldn't have a gun. If you're on social media threatening the lives of people, you shouldn't have a gun. If you can't get 3 character witnesses to say you're an upstanding citizen, you shouldn't have a gun.
The bill will also designate certain areas deemed as sensitive places like schools, bars, public parks, and sports stadiums as off limits for concealed carry. But opponents, including several gun rights advocacy groups, have already filed a lawsuit in an attempt to block the bill. They, as well as Republicans in the legislature, argue the bill will hurt responsible gun owners.
Why are we taking such egregious actions against those who are responsible gun-carrying individuals? And we happen to have this thing called the Second Amendment that's supposed to guarantee the right to carry a weapon. Where did that go?
And the bills will officially become law January 1st, 2024. At the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.